Hey Professor, how's it going? I hope you're doing well. Just wanted to do my final presentation here of my website. My website is called Remars. It's kind of a spoof of Remax, like you probably remember from the last presentation we did on this. Um, so we're gonna go ahead. It's all shiny, ready to go, ready to be published. I can publish it right now, even. I'm not sure if I actually want to. I might get arrested for copyright issues, but so we're going to go ahead and dive in and see what we got here. Up here we have different tabs that can take you different places on the website. This website is very, very versatile. It's got a bunch of different features on it. Not only can you view it as, like as a computer, how you'd see it on a computer, but you can also view it, if you see up here, you can switch to mobile, which means you can see how it looks like on a phone. So I thought that was a pretty cool thing. So we're going to go ahead and look at the home page here first. That's what we're already on, the home page. Um, if we scroll down, it first shows us some of the properties that are for sale. Each one of these has a name, a summary, a price, and it has a bunch of information on each of them. We won't get into all of them right here because they also show up on a different page where we'll read them individually. These are all the rentals here. You'll see these in a minute here as well on the rental page. Down here we've got basically all of our recommendations and our awards and things like that. We've got this one right here, voted #1 realtor in the solar system. That's fact check true, given that it is the only realtor website for the entire solar system that I am aware of. Free registration and no hidden fees. Here at Remars, we are dedicated to giving you the top level of service real estate has to offer. Whether on Earth or Mars, the level of satisfaction you will find is equal. We make home rental and home purchasing streamlined to your needs without the gimmicks. Yeah, so that's the pitch right there. We also do a free property evaluation. If you currently own a property on Mars and are looking to sell, let us do the work for you. Our friendly staff will come by and do the work of assessing your property's worth for you, as well as provide access to top buyers looking for homes in your area. So these kind of things I didn't really steal from anywhere else, but like they just kind of sound like those would be the type of things that are on like a real estate website, and so I just kind of put them on there. I think they sound nice. Oh yeah, we have offices in 4 locations. Although our main facility resides just outside the Nectar Crater on Mars. That's an actual place, by the way, the Nectar Crater. You can look that one up. I found that on the map, and I'm like, hey, I like that. We're gonna use that. We also have locations on the International Space Station, the Moon over Earth, as well as the Death Star. So that's all good stuff there. Oh, and here's what our clients think. We got a couple different testimonials here. The first one's from Sir Elton John, and this is some lines from, well, except for that part, from Rocket Man. So I thought that was pretty funny. And then Mark Watney, if you've ever seen the movie The Martian, he's the main character there, and he gets basically stranded on Mars by himself. It's a good movie. If you haven't seen it, you should go watch it. And the last one is Lord Vader. The process was made easy and simple. I feel like I'm back at my hometown moisture farm, though I am not too keen on the sand. So anybody who knows anything about the memes of Star Wars knows all about that. We're now going to go to the sales page. This is going to show you the houses that are for sale from the front. So first one we've got is the Igloo, estimated at $50 million. It has 4 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. In this ergonomic hut, you can experience all that Mars has to offer, with concentric design presenting a large central common area supported by surrounding bedrooms and biodomes. Your family will never feel closer. Coming in about 3,000 square feet, this property supports a wide variety of views, as the entire thing is covered in windows. So that was actually a fairly cool one. This hut, the Igloo, would actually be mainly 3D printed. This is something that SpaceX was looking at, and so is Virgin Mobile. But this is kind of one of the ones that they're not sure if they're actually going to follow through with making, given that it's a little bit too light for the atmosphere of Mars, and the wind might blow it away. But we're going to keep on going. This one, the Hive. This is the #1 recommended for NASA. It has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. This hive is a very unique structure made of 3D printed stone. Each hive is highly insulated to protect from the harsh cold of Mars. Inside your hive, you can find a fully operable kitchen and waste management system that recycles most waste. With around 2,000 square feet of room, you'll be nice and cozy. So, like I said, this is the one that NASA is most likely to use if they were to colonize Mars. And they have a lot of concept art on this particular model here. Right below, we've got the ant hill. Has six bedrooms and one bathroom. Coming in at a staggering 5,000 square feet, the biggest of all Mars habitats. The ant hill is composed of a series of living pods connected in a circular fashion with a large rock shell covering the outside to protect against whatever weather Mars has to offer. Each pod gives breathtaking views of the nearby landscape, and with all the extra space, this habitat allows you to really stretch your limbs and unwind. This one would come in at around $79 million. These are all rough estimates, by the way. Of course, it would cost more money to even just fly these parts there, but to construct them on Mars, it'd cost around $79 million. You'll notice that a lot of these have arranged viewing buttons here. This would take you to the agents page, but we won't go there quite yet. We'll go to the rentals tab. You also saw these on the front page, and these are all different rental properties that you could get on Mars, and they are per week. So the rent is per week. This one right here, we have the marble. It kind of looks like a marble. That's why. About $430,000 per week to rent. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. The marble is a perfect fit for a weekend getaway. Coming in at a cozy 1,200 square feet, it is perfect for a small family with amazing views of the surrounding mountains. You and your family can get the most out of your Mars experience. How wonderful, right? This one right here, coming in at $650,000 per week, is the Corkscrew. It's got 4 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. It is a hut house that would literally have to be almost screwed into the ground. Not entirely, mostly it would be dug out from underground. Weighing in at 3,200 square feet, this habitat is possibly the most stable of them all, with 80% of it below the ground. Temperature controls a breeze. Stay a day or stay a week, you'll never have to worry about the weather in your all-new Corkscrew rental. This is one that NASA is also looking at, but they're saying that'd be a lot more work than what it's worth, and that the hives are typically a better structure anyway. And this one right here, on the left, here we have the mound. This one is also a concept art created by the same people who created the Corkscrew and the anthill. Same people who designed this structure. The mound, with its sleek design and ergonomic structure, makes for the perfect hidden getaway. Its corrugated shell, made out of Martian soil, makes it practically soundproof. The harsh Martian winds stand no chance against its aerodynamic design. It is comfortable and affordable for those who are on a tight budget. So these would probably be the more, I would say, lower class living environment there on Mars. It's a lot easier to make. It's fairly cheap, and it's fairly useful. The only thing that people don't like much about it is that it's really, really cramped in there. But hey, if it works, it works. And this last one here, I call it Gone with the Wind. There was actually no real name given for it. The reason for that is it's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. It was one of the most earliest designs made for Mars habitats, and it is the most efficient habitat yet. This habitat is 100% inflatable, making it easy to transport. Now you can take your home with you wherever you go, no strings attached. Be careful of the wind though, or you may end up parasailing your way to the next crater. And that is completely true. When the designers of this made the inflatable Mars habitat, they didn't realize how windy it gets on Mars. And so, this is something that they might use anyway just because it's so easy, because it's all inflatable. But it's kind of dangerous because it can, if you don't tether it properly, it can just get blown away very easily given that it's so light. But it is also an option, $280,000 per week, the cheapest one out of all of them there. But definitely an option if you really needed it or wanted it. We'll see what actually gets used here, probably within the next decade. Go to our agents tab. This one's probably my favorite one, because this one's got the most Easter eggs in it. So these are our top 3 agents here at Remars. We really try to provide the best customer service we possibly can. And over here we've got Jake from State Farm, and he's one of our sales representatives. His email is statefarmforlife@remars.com. And that phone number that you see listed there, that is the phone number of the closest State Farm agency to my house, at least. So that's where I got that from. Next to him we have Greedo, another sales associate. His email is hanshotme@remars.com. And that telephone number there's actually a Star Wars podcast. I forget what it's called, but they have a Greedo hotline where basically anybody can call in and basically tell a story when they really got screwed over by something. It's kind of funny because Greedo kind of got screwed over big in Star Wars. So that's what that phone number is if you ever wanted to use that. Anyway, and then lastly, we have Buzz Lightyear. His email is spaceranger@remars.com. And that telephone number there is the telephone number for the closest Toys R Us. And so now you have there our three main associates. And they travel around to all different offices and all over Mars selling Mars habitats for me in my business here. And so lastly, we have the contact here. And this contact strip, as I mentioned in the previous video, is at the bottom of every single tab. It says to contact our rental or sales team, please call or email us. That's actually over here. That's basically all my information. And this is what I would say would be the address for our main office. I mentioned that it was in the Nectar Crater. And those are the Mars coordinates right there for that. And so it's 27.7 south, 72 west, North Crater Nectar Crater, Mars Planet, Milky Way, 90210. I didn't know any zip code, so I just put that one in there. And this you could put in a contact form for my agents to call you up. You need to leave your name, email, the subject of what you're wanting to know, and your message. And this is a copyrighted 2021 by Remars, a Seth Rogers enterprise, proudly created with Wix.com. And so that's the entire website right there. It's got a bunch of different features, a bunch of different things to look at. It's very interactive, and like I said, you can look at it on either a computer or a phone. Like I said, I have yet to publish it. If you want me to publish it, let me know and I'll do it. And so just overall, this was a very fun project. I really enjoyed it. I think, the program that I use, Wix, W-I-X, very good. Very good project. Very good website to use to build a website. It had a ton of different templates that you could go through. And, like I said in my report that you've maybe already read already, maybe you haven't, it feels a lot like PowerPoint. All you really had to do is just put a bunch of pictures and information and text boxes and things like that. It's very user friendly. And so that was very, very awesome. I think it turned out to be a pretty dang good website, very interactive. And so, if in the future you are requiring all students to make a website or something like that, I would definitely recommend Wix. They're not paying me to say this or anything, but, like I said, very easy to use and very user friendly, and it worked out really well. So yeah, that's our Remars here. You got the little hot air balloon because it's spoofed with Remax with the Mars rover attached to it. So that's the website. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to let me know.